here in Northeast Ohio. Real cold. So in typical MBMrc fashion, we decided we was going to put some skis on our planes. These are home built. Kind of came up with the design ourselves. So we're going to test them out. And if we like them, we'll put up a build video. Either way, you guys are going to be getting a video out of this. So we'll see what happens.
Oh, likes to ski.
This is freaking awesome, man. How much time do I got left on my timer, Matthew? Pretty freaking awesome. Here goes Matthew's try with his new How is it, Kenny? They didn't really mess with
it. I figured you might get some carburetor. That was way out too far.
Yeah.
Alrighty, as you can tell, we really enjoyed those skis. They seem to be good for models up to about 15 pounds, so there will be a build video coming out here in the next couple days. Any questions, feel free to ask, and please do not forget to subscribe, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks. Later.